Just a few years ago, creating digital products required specialized skills. A course needed a subject matter expert. An ebook demanded a writer. Templates required a designer. The time and expertise barriers kept many from entering the market. But AI has changed everything, compressing months of work into days. Not all digital products succeed equally. For categories consistently outperform the rest, templates and tools, like spreadsheets or prompt packs, educational content, such as mini courses, creative assets, like design templates, and done-for-you systems, pre-built workflows for businesses. Each solves a specific problem for a narrow audience, the key to standing out. The biggest mistake? Creating something generic. A guide to productivity drowns in competition. But a productivity system for freelance photographers speaks directly to a niche. AI research tools can scan forums and trends to validate whether a specific pain point is real and worth solving. Once you've nailed the audience, AI accelerates building. For courses, it drafts outlines and refines language. For templates, it designs layouts. The AI isn't replacing expertise, it's compressing the time from idea to polished product. A process that once took weeks now takes hours. A great product can fail with poor packaging. The promise must be specific. 50 AI prompts for small business marketing outperforms AI prompt collection. AI design tools generate professional covers and sales pages even for non-designers. Clarity beats creativity here. Most digital products sell for $5 to $50. Higher prices require solving bigger pains. Platforms like Gumroad or Payhip handle payments and delivery, so you focus on creation and marketing. The right price balances affordability with perceived value. AI can analyze competitors to guide your decision. Here's the harsh truth: most products fail because no one sees them. The best template won't sell without visibility. A digital product business isn't just creation, it's consistent content. Short videos, posts, or graphics that highlight the problem your product solves. AI's hidden strength? Turning one idea into multiple content pieces. A script becomes a video, a blog post, and promotional graphics. This consistency, showing up across platforms, builds trust and visibility. AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva Magic Write streamline the grind. A realistic path: Week 1, pick a niche problem and validate it. Week 2, build a simple version with AI. Week 3, package it clearly and list it. Week 4 onward, create content relentlessly. Most quit before week 4, success goes to those who persist. Digital product income isn't instant. It compounds as your content builds trust. The winners aren't those with perfect products, they're those who solve a specific problem and show up consistently. Start not with design tools, but with one clear question: who exactly needs this, and why?